In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your OneDrive to your computer. Whether you're looking to safeguard important documents or simply want easy access to your files across devices, syncing OneDrive is an essential skill. Let's start by taking a closer look at your taskbar, located at the bottom of your screen. Here, you should find the OneDrive icon sitting quietly among the other icons. This is your gateway to accessing all the settings we need. So, go ahead and click on that OneDrive icon. Once clicked, you need to shift your attention slightly to the right to find the gear icon, which represents the settings. Clicking on this will open a menu revealing several options for your OneDrive account. In this menu, you should find a section called Settings. Go ahead and click on the word Settings to enter the main configuration panel. This is where you can configure various aspects of OneDrive to suit your preferences and needs. Now, inside the Settings panel, direct your focus to a tab or section labeled Sync and Backup. This part of the settings is crucial. It enables you to decide which files and folders you want to keep synchronized between your computer and OneDrive. Click on Sync and Backup to proceed further. Within these settings, you'll find an option labeled Manage Backup. Clicking on this will reveal another vital aspect of our task today, selecting which folders from your computer you want to sync with OneDrive. Take a moment here to look at the list of available choices. These might include your documents, pictures, or even your desktop. This is where you gain control over what you want to be synced and backed up. To do this, simply enable the folders of your choice by clicking the checkboxes next to each folder, selecting the ones you prefer. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's important to save these settings. Look for a Save Changes button, and by clicking on this, you're ensuring that all of your decisions are locked in and ready. This sets up OneDrive to sync your selections properly, providing you with the seamless accessibility and protection you're looking for. As an additional tip for anyone fond of preserving memories through photographs, you also have the option to sync your saved photos. This means all your precious moments captured are securely backed up to OneDrive, making them easily accessible from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. And remember, if you frequently take screenshots on your computer, you might want to have those synced as well to keep everything neat and organized. And there you have it. You've now learned how to sync your OneDrive to your computer. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your files are safely backed up and easily accessible.